whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, melted in time by nature's hand. Echoing scattered on the forest floor, opens the world through silence alive, brimming with sound. In the eyes of sorrow, I am falling, whispering hearts singing to caught in the stars and teach me the language of stories that linger under the boughs where the shadows play. The wind hums